What is up, guys? Malachi back here on Loud and Proud. Just want to really quick try to throw in a project here for you guys today so I don't miss out on getting content to you guys. Also in between a couple jobs I got to do today. So I've got about 2 hours, so I'm going to try to get this job in and done within 2 hours. This mostly seem to take longer than that, even though they shouldn't, but hopefully I can get it done. I'm going to be installing some smoked lens cab lights because right now, as you can see, it does not go with the smoked grill and smoked fog lamps and the smoked taillights, so we're going to get those smoked. And yes, we have headlights coming in for the truck as well. And in case you guys didn't know, those of you who may be newer to the channel within the last few days, the taillights we just did, so go check out that video. The grill we just did, that video is on the channel as well as the smoky chrome fog lamps. So that's all been done to the truck recently, but right now I want to try to switch out the cab lights with the smoked ones and switch out the third brake light for the truck as well, because I almost forgot about the other day and I was like, Dad, we got to switch out the brake light so that it matches the rest. So that's what we're going to do. Hopefully I can get it done in a timely manner and get the video up for you guys today. So bear with me. I'm not going to try to rush it too much, but I do got to try to get it done in a decent amount of time. So let's get right to it, and I'm going to show you these products that we got, and then I will get right into it. Okay, so here's that third brake light. Let me get this opened up. Oh, is it? It's two of them. Huh. Two of them, because we ordered one for both trucks, the King Ranch and the 7.3. So, I'm pretty sure they're the same thing, but I'm going to open them up and check. They should be the same for both trucks, because I don't think they've changed the way that these mount up for the trucks. Yeah, they're the same. So I'm just going to mount up one of them on the truck here today, and the other one I will have to do a different day on the King Ranch because I don't have the truck here. So, and I'm running pretty low on time, so I got to get it all put together and done on the truck. So we're going to start out with this. Obviously it's the third brake light, cargo light, and I'm also going to show you the smoked lenses for the cab lights. Ties in really well with this color, so that's what we're going with, and that's what we're going to get done on the truck. So I'm going to get to installing these, and hopefully it looks pretty good.
Here we go.
Well guys, I just finished the third brake light and the cab light lenses on the 7.3 over there. Now I think my dad just finished up what he was working on with this truck, so that video should be up very shortly as well, and that's something that this truck really needs. Actually, pretty much all trucks should have on them. So you might know where I'm going with that. But anyways, you'll see the video on that very shortly. But yeah, this build's coming along slowly but surely. We might have to get some smoked lenses, cab light lenses for those too. This truck as well. Just really looks good. Does this have a third brake light? Yeah, we might have to do something with that brake light. Look how little that thing looks. And faded. Let me get it to focus here. Look at that. It's like the oldest brake light ever. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you one last time this truck with all the lighting that we've done to it, and hopefully you guys like it. It looks really good. And I'm probably gonna end off this video with an edit of this truck going around it with some of the stuff that we've done. Instead of that one like the usual, do a different one for the Ford. So give you one last look here at what I've done to it today, and I guess not just today, but third brake light. Get some brightness here. Looks really clean. Try to get around here. Cab lights smoked out. Grill. Yes, the DOOD grill. No, the DODD grill. I get all kinds of people whining about that. Why doesn't it say Ford? I don't know. It says it was Raptor style. I guess we didn't look close enough, but I think it looks fine, especially once we get the matching headlights in that are smoked out just like everything else. Not like blacked out, but just smoked out. I think it'll look good. So just be patient. We're getting there. Fog lamps. Yeah, I think it all tied together very well. It looks good on the truck because I can already envision everything done to it. The lift, tires, wheels, headlights, everything. Once it's all tied together, it'll look really good. I know for some people you just can't picture anything until it's actually done, but you know, that's why it takes somebody with a little bit of a vision to do truck builds. Not that I've done many or any, but just like anything else, I guess you got to envision it. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video on this 2002 F350 Super Duty with the 7.3 POWERSTROKE in it. It's a very, very good truck. We just wanted to update some of the cosmetics of it, you know, headlights, taillights, grill, all the little odds and ends. Probably gonna do some tow mirrors on it soon. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like, leave a comment below, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.